Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it. There's shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan fried, deep fried, stir fried. That's about it.
What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions. You know what time it is? It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a quick, easy, fast meal for you. We're going to do some honey garlic shrimp on my flat top griddle. I'll tell you about more about the griddle here in just a minute, but it turns your stove top into a flat top grill in just a matter of minutes. So I'll tell you about that and how to get one. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. Hey, let's get started with some honey garlic shrimp. So this is an easy, very quick, easy recipe. Nice, easy meal for you guys at home, weeknight. You don't feel like doing a lot. But the supporting cast is followed. Of course, we got the star of the show, the shrimp. And you can buy whatever shrimp you want to. I just bought the pre-cooked, deveined, and shelled because I was just lazy doing the video. But you can use the raw shrimp if you wish. It's totally up to you. Your choice. I got about 3/4 a cup of honey here, about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I got some crushed some crushed red pepper flakes, my garlic, a little bit of ginger, and a little bit of lemon juice. And then we're just gonna add the old favorites here, of course, pink Himalayan sea salt and some black pepper. That's all that's going into it, guys. It's very simple, very quick. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is start mixing the sauce together. So we're gonna pour our honey into a container. Now, if you like it sweeter, then you can add more. If you like it not so sweet, you can add a little bit less. Kind of depends on the amount of shrimp that you have. I think I have a 1 pound bag of shrimp. So I got my soy sauce going in. We're going to incorporate that just a little bit here. All right. And to that, I'm going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. And we're going to add a dash of ginger here. I'm going to add just a tad bit more. It's going to be about a teaspoon of ginger as well. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Probably about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And we're just going to mix that up. Make sure it all gets incorporated. Now, like everything, I always say give it a taste first. Get a little taste here. Alright, so from here we're just going to go over to the flat top. I'll tell you about that here in just a second. Just to give you some information about this griddle. It's made by Steelmadeusa. And I'm going to post a link in the description as well as on the screen for you. You can go to that website, and if you use my promo code that I'll have there in the description and on the screen, then you'll get 10% off. I love this thing, guys. I don't really take it off my stovetop too much. You can actually you can put your pans and things on top of the griddle and still cook that way. So I don't take it off very often, maybe once every couple weeks, but I do a lot of cooking on this, so it's well worth the money. Go check it out, steelmadeusa.com. Use my promo link, you'll get 10% off. So here we are at the griddle, and we're gonna add my shrimp to the griddle here. Get them so they're all touching. There we go. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to them. A little bit of pepper. And we're gonna let these cook on one side for about a minute, minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. Make sure they all get on the grill top. As a matter of fact, I think I'll put a couple of them back here on some high heat so I can get them all in one place. Alright, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of my red pepper flakes on here. Just give a little bit of kick to it. And we're going to turn these over. It's been about a minute, minute and a half on one side. It's one thing you don't want to do, guys. You don't want to overcook shrimp, no matter how you're cooking it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and throw my my honey garlic glaze on it. Aha, look at that, guys. It's cooking up. Alright, that's enough. I'm going to turn my eyes off here. Alright, there you guys go. Some honey garlic shrimp. Quick, fast, and easy. Plated it with some white rice. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite, guys. I'm going to dig in. Get a little rice here with it. Man. That sure is good. Hey guys. This is a very quick, fast, and easy, flavorful meal, guys. You can do it in 10 minutes, really. But hey, if you want one of those griddles that turns your stovetop into a grill in a matter of minutes, Steelmadeusa.com. Use my promo link. You'll get a percentage off. I think it's 10%. Hey guys, and I am an affiliate, so it does help me out a little bit. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.